Okay, bring it back slowly, watch the side. Clear on this side, keep coming. Easy now, easy. Keep him moving straight. Watch the horns on the left side.
Keep them moving steady now. Easy, easy, just follow the lane. The ultrasound looks good, gestation is on track.
Confirmed. Blood panel results are now visible on the main screen.
Make sure the pressure is steady on the far side. Copy that, adjusting now. Looks good.
Keep them moving to the right chute. Almost there, easy now.
Welcome to the Finding Solutions Leather Preparation Department. Here, every hide is meticulously inspected for quality before moving to the next stage.
Check the readout on Sector 4.
Looks good, well within tolerance.
Check the thickness on this one again. Reads within tolerance. Looks good for stage 3.
Packaging is secure and the presentation is flawless. Approved for shipment.
The circumference is exactly 42 inches. Noted. The laser scan conforms the curve radius.